This one is at 23rd Avenue and 31st Street. It's on 31st Street. Under the subway. We got some blood red graffiti there with 40/40 on both sides of the phone, which doesn't work. I already tried. I didn't even need to pick it up to check because all its guts are gone. I wonder if people steal these things and resell them. I mean, how much can it be worth? I looked up it's a Hawaii cellular router. Brand new, I think it was only 20 bucks. But I don't know if there's a black market in that stuff. It's an ad for a Christmas bazaar. Looks like that's happening now. And the side panel is gone. The only other one up in this area had been on Ditmars at 37th Street, but that's gone. I'll tell you what though, let's go check on one of my favorite finds.